Right, so today we are going to practice adding numbers, but using it the up and down the vertical way so they line up. We have to make sure we really line up those ones and the tens. Okay, so this first one, this is the same boom card that is on in Schoology. All right, so Danny is wiping down desks and chairs. She wipes down 12 desks and 7 chairs. How many items does Danny wipe down altogether? All right, so what I want you to do on your paper is I want you to write the 12. And then I want you to write the 7 because there's, for the 12, there's 1 10 and 2 ones. And then she wipes down 7 chairs, which is 7 ones. We have to put it right in the ones column, right? It's very, very important that we line it up. So go ahead and show me. Oh, is it lined up? Shania, why don't you put it on top of each other? Stack the ones. All right, so you're stacking. All right. Oh, Yana says, check that 7. What should it be under? Should it be under the 1 or the 2? Think about it. It's a 1. It's in the ones place. Which one's the ones place? Yeah, Shania, what's that line in between it? The line goes underneath. I just don't want to get confused. Nice job. All right, so now, morning, Jalen. Make sure you get something to write with, bud. So who remembers what we add first? Do we add the ones place or do we add the tens place? Good morning, Jayana. Get something to write with, hon. Do we add the ones place first or the tens place first? Camilla?
The ones.
The ones, because 1 is first and first is number 1. So we have our ones place. What is 2 plus 7? I want to see some hands. Come on. 2 plus 7. You're almost second graders. Get those hands up. Jalen, what is 2 plus 7?
9.
Absolutely, Tootly. All right. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Now we have to remember, that was funny, right, Santino? I'm adding the ones, so my 9 has to go in the ones place. So I line it up just like Legos. I stack it up. The 9 goes down below. So now I add my tens place. What is 1 plus nothing? Show me with your fingers. What is 1 plus nothing? It's just 1, right? 1 plus 0 is 1. So what is our answer? Who can read this whole number sentence? And Genesis is like, boom, I've got this the whole time. Who can read this whole number sentence? Zoe.
12 plus 7 equals 19.
Fantastic. So I need to make sure I put the 9 over there and then the 1 over there, 19. Let's see. Bing. Perfect. Okay. So John is helping his teacher get ready for school. He passes out 14 folders and 4 books. How many items does John pass out altogether? All right. So we are writing down 14. We have 1 10 and 4 ones. And then he passes out 4 books. It is very important that we line them up, stack them in the towers, right? So we have 4 ones. We have to put it in the ones place. Make sure you write it down just like this, stack them up. Make sure the 4s get stacked up in the ones place. All right, these are the ones. Go ahead, morning Shafiq, get your something to write with. Go ahead and solve this. If we have 4 ones plus another 4 ones, how much is that when we add up the ones place? What is 4 plus 4? Write it down, Jana. Do you have something to write with? Are you writing it down? Because I want to see your final answer. Yana says, nailed it. Nice job. All right, show me. Shafiq, did you do it? Oh, Zoe, I can't see. I need the answer, Shania. I can't see it. Okay, write the answer though. Now you have to add the ones place, the fours. Thank you, Zoe. Shafiq, you should be solving this. Write it down. 14 plus 4. You got it, Jalen. Now add and solve the answer underneath it. Nice job, Jayana. Yep, because 4 plus 4 equals, I saw my friends write down 8, right? Because instead of adding sideways, now we're adding down, up and down. And 1 plus 0, there's nothing there, is still 1. So who can read this whole number sentence for me? Who can read this whole number sentence for me? Genesis?
40 plus 4 equals 80.
Okay, well, watch out, because this isn't 40, it's 14. So try it again.
14 plus 4 equals 80.
Not 80. What would it be? If that was 14. 18. You got it. Nice job. So 14 plus 4 equals 8. Whoa, what happened there? I can't see. All right, 18. Nice job, because 4 plus 4 equals 8 and 1 plus 0 equals 1. Nice job. All right, next one. Ooh, tricky. This is where I want you to start drawing 10s and 1s. Amanda is helping her mom make dinner. She peels 13 potatoes and 7 carrots. How many items does Amanda peel all together? All right, so I want you to do things a little bit different this time. All right, I want you to do 13 and I want you to do 7. Line it up the right way. Yep, line it up. Make sure the ones are all together. Santino, are you following directions? Nice job, Jayana. Write it down. All right, so now I want you to draw 10s and 1s, right? So 13 is going to be 1 10 and 3 1s. And then 7 is just 7 1s. Genesis, you got the answer, but check where your 7 is, honey. It should be in the 1s place. You moved it over to the 10s place. It's very important to double check, because otherwise the answer would have been 83. Ah, no way, Jose. All right, so now let's count our 10s and 1s, because there's something silly that's going to happen here. All right, so let's start with our 10s. Ready? We have 10. Now let's keep going by ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20? How did our answer get 20 when we only have 1 10? Huh. Boys and girls, what is 3 plus 7? It's our friends. Friends of what? What's 3 plus 7? Shafiq, what's 3 plus 7? You're right, Zoe.
10.
It is 10. But can we put a 10 in the 1s place? No way, we can't have 2 numbers there. So we have to put the 0 down here. Oh, and we have to move that 10 over, right? So we had to make another 10 because we have 10 ones. So now we have 2 10s altogether. All right, this is where things get tricky. All right, we have 20. Who wants to read this number sentence for me? Camilla, read this number sentence for me.
13 plus 7 equals 20.
Very nice job. All right. Oh my golly. Dan is shopping at the store. He puts 8 cereal boxes and 8 raisin boxes in his shopping cart. Wow, he must really like raisins, huh? How many items does Dan put in his shopping cart all together? I see some friends already writing it down. I love it. Please make sure you are keeping them lined up. All right, keep them lined up. So we have 8 plus 8. All right. Do we have any 10s right now? No, they're all in the ones place. Boys and girls, you could do this kind of problem like using your fingers and counting on, but we're practicing making groups of 10. So I want you to draw your 1 dots. Ready? We're going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it, Shania, but I want you to draw the dots. Just because we're going to practice making a group of 10. All right, we have so many dots. I really don't want to count all of them, friends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle a group of 10. I know I have 8 here. 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle all of these. So I have some that did not make it into my group of 10. How many left over do I have? How many left over do I have? Jayana, how many leftover ones do I have?
6.
6. Very nice job. So I'm going to put this right underneath my ones. Now, how many groups of 10 do I have? Santino, how many groups of 10 do I have?
One.
I just have 1 group of 10, right? This whole thing right here is a group of 10. So I could just say 8 and count up 8 more, but we're really practicing thinking in our brains of making a group of 10. All right, so who can read this number sentence for me? Who can read this number sentence for me? Let's see, Santino, go ahead.
8 plus 8 equals 16.
Boom, excellent job. All right, so if we look, 8 plus 8, when we circled it, we had 6 ones, and now we had 1 10. So we added something in the 10 spot because there were too many ones to stay in the ones place, right? When it's 10 or more, move it next door. All right, let's see what we've got this. I think we have 1 more after this, or maybe this is the last one. I don't know. I can't ever figure this out. All right, go ahead and write it down. And I want you to draw sticks and dots. All right, line them up, my friends. Keep those ones on top of each other. Because we have 9 plus 9. I want you to draw your dots. All right, draw your dots. Circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, make sure you draw your dots. I love that you're getting the answer, but I want you to practice making groups of 10. Let me see what you have. All right, nice job. Shania's got it. Santino, we're not using our fingers, we're using our dots. Okay? Because at some point, you're not gonna have enough fingers, and I really want you to understand that we have to make groups of 10. Okay? So now that you have your 9 dots and 9 dots, I want you to circle 10 of them in one big circle. All right, so I'm gonna make a big circle. I have 9 here, 10. All right, so I can make a group of 10 because I have lots. 9 plus 9. All right, Jana, go ahead and circle 10 now. Nice job, Shafiq. Did you write down the math problem? Yana says, hold it up a little bit, hun. All right, nice job. I want you to circle the dots though. I want you to make 9 dots and 9 dots. Thank you, Zoe. You got it, Jalen. Nice job. Shafiq, you have your ones correct, but don't forget you made a group of 10. So where's your 10 in your answer? I only see your 8 ones. Where's your 10? Uh-oh. Did you circle a group of 10? Don't forget to put it in your answer then, okay? All right. So friends, how many dots do we have left over that did not make it into my group of 10? Perfect, Shania. I see that cute face. All right. How many ones are left over? I need somebody's hand up besides Jana. Jana's not the only one that knows. I've called on her so much, which is awesome. I'm glad you're participating. Shania, how many ones are left over?
Eight.
8. Thank you, right? So I have 8 ones. How many groups of 10 were you able to make? How many groups of 10 were you able to make, Shafiq? Say, I'm still busy, Mrs. Kennedy. How many groups of 10 did you make? Genesis? Or look at mine if you didn't do it. How many groups of 10 did I make?
9.
No, those are the
9.
these are the I have 8 ones here, but how many groups did I circle? I only have one, right, Zoe? I only have one group of 10. All right, go ahead and mute now. Your brother's so adorable. I only have one group of 10. I circled one group of 10. So instead of saying all the ones, I don't have 10 tens. I only have one group of 10. That only counts as one group of 10, and then I have 8 leftover ones. All right, so what is my problem? What's the answer? Can you read the whole number sentence to me so I know what answer to put? Raise your hand. Who can read this for me? I don't see a lot of hands up, guys. Hey, Prince is here. Hey. All right, Zoe. Read it for me, hun.
9 plus 9 equals 18.
Absolutely. 18. Fantastic job. Let's check. All done. All right. Pretty awesome, you guys. All right. So it is very important. No, Shania, not yet. When you are doing these math problems, it's very important to think, can I make a group of 10 out of my ones? All right, because that is going to be really important when we get to bigger numbers. All right. I want your beautiful brains to go do some work today. And then I want your beautiful brains to try to relax and play, see if you can get outside. Okay?
Okay.
Have a fantastic day. And I will see you later.
You like my Among Us character? I need to talk to you.
Whoa, that's very cool.
Bye.
Talk to me.
My mom.
Hi. Okie dokie.
Bye.
Bye, Shania.
See you, I guess.
It's very cool, Santino. I remember that. Bye, Prince.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. All right, Prince. See you tomorrow. Bye,
Bye.
Santino. Bye, Genesis.
Bye.
We're almost there. Prince, get out of here.
Bye, Prince.
Bye.
Just nosy.
All right. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Jalen is Jalen's brother